Now let's get back to the cast on. Chain cast on. We got our slip knot. Take the working yarn around, which just says 0-1 and peg 0-2 for the wedge. If you're using the single peg wedge, it's just peg 0. But we're going to start with this. Let me zoom this in a bit. You got your slip knot. You're going to pull the working yarn through that slip knot and tighten it up. This first one, it's always the hardest to tighten up just because it's not really anchored in yet. But once you get that first one, then you go to the second. You take the loop that you just made through, pull the working yarn through, and that makes a new loop, which I don't need it to be that big. Take it behind the next peg, makes a new loop. And you do this all the way around the loom until you get to peg 0-1. Alright, we are back to peg 0-1. All you're going to do is just take the loop and put it on that peg and tighten it up.